if you're having problems with accessing or using mobile data on your Samsung phone, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So the first thing that you want to do is you may want to access your connections. So open up settings here, go to connections, and in here you want to go ahead and look for the option for data usage. Now, under data usage here, you want to make sure that data saver is turned off. Now, if you have this turned on, this may limit your connectivity or the how your phone uses mobile data. So make sure it turns off. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to go and try and see if that solves. But if that doesn't help, next thing you want to do is you want to go to settings again, go to connections, and under connections, you want to go ahead and go to mobile networks. Now, under mobile networks, you will first want to access the access points names here. And by the way, before doing that, you may want to make sure that the option for network mode here is set to 5G, LTE, 3G, and 2G. So use auto connect here. So make sure everything is included. But yeah, so you want to go to access point names here, click on the three dot option at top right, and you want to go and choose the reset to default. Now, this may take a while, so just let it load up. But once you have it loaded up, you want to go to network operators next. Now, under network operators, you want to make sure that the option here that says select automatically is disabled. And once you turn that off, this will start the scan process. So just wait for it to scan your signal here and choose your network. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.